Welcome back! I'm so glad to see you. Come on in. Are you ready for calendar time? Well, I sure am. Let's find out what day it is today. Open it up. Let's sing our months of the year song. Are you ready? Okay, here it goes. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Very good. All right, so this month is still August, and it's still summertime. Let's find out what day it is. Well, the open spot is green. So let's say the days of the week until we get to the green color. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. So we'll put Tuesday right there. Wow, look at all the days that we have counted so far. Well, let's find out what today's number is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Today is Tuesday, August, let's get it the right way, 11th. And we'll put it right there. Today is the 11th. Let's count it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Today is Tuesday, August 11th. Well, what shall I do today? I know I have a garden outside, and I think that my beans may be ready to harvest. You want to come along and harvest the beans with me? That's always fun to see what has grown. Come along. Hi there. Look, Uncle Russ is here. That we picked. Isn't this wonderful? Isn't it neat to see them growing right off the plant? Have you ever picked vegetables? Oh, what are your favorite vegetables to eat though? I'm going to enjoy eating these beans. Right now, it's time to go. I will see you tomorrow. And right now, I'm going to eat these beans. Have a good day.